Welcome to this full body Tai Chi Walking workout for a quick nervous system reset at the North Cascades National Park. You'll find flow state to experience deep somatic healing, but it takes practice, so you can keep coming back to this video. And if you haven't done my Tai Chi Walking challenge, you can join that for free. Ann Swanson here, and I teach science-backed Qi Gong and Tai Chi for beginners, as well as accessible yoga therapy for pain relief and healthy aging. If you want fitness over 40, 50, and beyond that works, often set in breathtaking nature as we travel the national parks, click that like button and make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell turned on. Come on closer to your screen and we'll start with the easiest Tai Chi Walking to warm up. Sideways. Come to one side and step to the side. So you'll alternate between stepping wider than hip distance and then hip distance. Now you get to choose what wider is. It could be a teeny tiny bit wider, and then you come back to hip distance, very small step, or it could be quite a bit wider, really sinking into your knees. Take a few moments to experiment, find what feels good with your joints. You're upright, knees are soft though. And then we'll shift over. Come on over into this foot and bring your empty foot to tap, to step backwards. So we're going to step backwards with the toes facing out, toes down, heel down. Shift the weight into that foot now and bring the front heel up and come into tap. Now this tap part is optional. You could actually hover the foot above. Toes down, heel down, shift and bring it into tap or hover. Toes, heel, shift, bringing it in, toes, heel, shift, and come into tap because we will walk sideways to the other direction now. So step wider, shift, hip distance, shift, wider, shift, hip distance, shift, wider, shift, hip distance, shift, last one, wider, shift, and bring this foot into tap, and you're gonna turn the weighted foot out about 45 degrees to prepare for walking forward. Now this empty foot, the one that's into tap, it's gonna step forward and you go heel down, toes down, toes are straight forward. Now weight forward, weight back, lift the toes up, turn out, and come into tap or hover. Heel down, toes down, forward, back, out, and into tap or hover. Heel, toes, forward, back, out, and in. Last one, heel, toes, forward, back, and don't really turn it out very much because from here we're going to come into tap and we'll pause here to add the arms. So make sure your weight is over on this foot over here, empty foot is tapping, and the hands go on the same side as the weighted foot for yang style wave hands like clouds. So the palms are toward you, bottom hand is toward elbow. Let's pause here for a moment, sink into that standing knee. And then you'll take your empty foot, the one that's tapped here, and you'll step wider, but don't shift your weight yet. Flip the top hand, switch the hands up and down. Scoop the bottom hand in toward your belly button. Now shift your weight and hands over to the other side. Now we're hand in toward elbow on this side. and step in to hip distance. Flip the top palm, switch the hands, shift the weight over. That counts as one step. We're going to step wider, flip, switch, scoop, shift, step into hip distance, flip, switch, scoop, shift. That's two. Step wider, flip, switch, scoop, shift, step in, flip, switch, scoop, and shift. That's three. Step wider, flip, switch, scoop, and shift. Now we're going to come into tap this foot because we just did our last one before stepping backwards. So now the weight is on the side where your hand comes out to the side for Repulse Monkey. And the foot that's tapped, that hand goes forward. Both palms are up but turned slightly in toward each other. And look to the side. You'll take that hand and bring it over your shoulder toward your ear. Look forward and step that foot back as you glide the hands and your weight back. Push the top hand as the other hand comes down to your hip and then out to the side. And then look forward as your hand comes forward over your shoulder. Bring the foot in and step it back as you glide the hand forward. Weight back. Push. Other hand to the side. And scoop that front hand so both palms are up. Side hand comes forward over the shoulder. Stepping in, glide, step back, push. Open to the side, scoop that front hand. Both palms are up. Forward. Step in and step back, glide. Push. Open to the side. And scoop that front hand. Both hands are up. But this time we're going to come in to tap and bring your hand toward elbow on the side of the weighted foot for wave hands like clouds to the other side. Step out, flip, switch, scoop and shift. Step in, flip, switch, scoop and shift. Step, 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 flip, switch, scoop and shift. And step, flip, switch, scoop and shift. Come into tap and pause. And bring your hands into holding a ball with the top hand on the side of the weighted foot and the bottom hand on the side of your tapped foot for parting the wild horse's mane. Now we'll step that empty foot forward. Place your heel down and then your toes down. Now shift your weight forward as you open your hands. Bring your weight back. Lift your toes up. Turn out. Flip your palms and come in to tap or hover as you hold the ball. Now, heel down, toes down. Weight forward as you open. Weight back, out, flip, and tap or hover as we hold that ball. Heel, toes, forward, open, back, out, flip and in, heel, toes, forward, back, out, flip and hold to tap. Release your hands down and take a deep breath. And then shake it out and do any movements that feel good, any stretches. You can follow me or you can do your own thing. Because next we're going to smooth it out. And if you didn't get what we just did, no worries, just to rewind to this timestamp and try it again. This is meant to be challenging for your brain and not grasp the very first time. Honestly, it can take years to perfect this, which is why I have my Tai Chi Walking challenge that you can do over and over and over again for free. So now bring your weight and hands to the same side. So your hand is toward your elbow and your palms are toward you. And then the empty foot is tapping and it's ready to step out to the side. We'll take a deep breath, let the energy settle, and begin. Step out, flip, switch, scoop, bend, shift. Step, flip, switch, scoop, and 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 shift. Last one. Step, flip, switch, scoop, and shift. Coming into tap. Hand out to side and the other hand is forward. Look out to the side hand. And then bring it forward over your shoulder. Stepping back. Glide. Push. Hand comes out to the side. Front hand scoops. And hand forward. Step. Glide. Push. Side and scoop. Forward. Step in and back. Glide. Push. Side and scoop. Last one. Forward. Step. Glide. Push. Side and scoop. Coming in to tap. And hand toward elbow. Palms toward you. Step out. Flip. Switch. Scoop and shift. Step in. Flip. Switch. Scoop and shift. Step. 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 Flip. Switch. Scoop and tap to pause and come into holding the ball. Heel. Toes. Shift forward to open. Shift back. Toes up. Out. And flip the palms to come in to tap or hover. Heel. Toes. Forward to open. Back. Out. Flip and in. Heel. Toes. Forward to open. Back. Out. Flip and in. Last one. Heel. Toes. Forward to open. Back. Out. And come into tap. Release your hands down. Take a deep breath. And notice how you feel. And shake it out for a little somatic release of energy. Now head to the comments, and if you are in the Tai Chi Walking Challenge, especially make sure you comment. And if you're not in the challenge, you need to join. It's completely free, and I'll take you through this step by step so you get the foundation to build up to what we're doing in this video with more ease and flow, so you can do it on your own. So head to learntaichiwalking.com, or it's also going to be in the first pinned comment. A genuine thanks for joining me, and be well.